In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Google Analytics with Google Tag Manager. So first, you'll have to go into your Google Analytics account, go over to admin, and then under property, you're going to copy your Universal Analytics ID, which is right here. It's kind of hard to copy, so just click down here into tracking info, tracking code, and then just grab your tracking ID here. Next, you're going to head over to your Google Tag Manager account. Uh, Create a new account if you haven't done so already, and then create a new tag. So you can click on it right here, or under overview, you can select new tag up here. So let's call this GA tag test. We're going to configure it with Universal Analytics, and I have some different reasons for why you should do that in a blog post that I won't go in here. I'll link in the description below. Next, we're going to pass in a new variable that contains our tracking ID. So you'll pop that in there, click on save. Variable name, let's call this GA test. And let's save that. And then next, we need to configure when it triggers. So we'll set it to all pages, and let's click save. So you're not quite done yet. The last thing that you need to do is click on submit. And once you actually fill this out, publish, then it'll be live on your site. If you want to test it out before that, it's probably a good idea to hit the preview button and then have a look at your website. But this is pretty standard installation, so you can just go ahead and submit it. If you're curious about why you should use Google Tag Manager and also the benefits of Tag Manager along with Universal Analytics, I'll link to a blog post that I wrote describing some of my favorite reasons why you should use both for your lead generation campaigns.